Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Super Bowl 2015 first game. Tonight, it's a Monday. SAF, Special Armed Forces, scoring an 85-77 win over MCS. Our player of the game, the Tower of Power, Mr. Kevin Ang. Scoring 12 points, 24 rebounds, 15 blocks, 2 steals with 4 assists. Mr. Kevin Ang, what do you say about our game?
Nice game. Nice game sa team. La Jeff, Coronel. Si Mars, 15 points. Si Jerry, 12 points. Si Captain Dodong. Tsaka sa aking secret.
Ang inspiration, naka-focus. Kevin, baka meron kang gustong batiin. Sa mga kaibigan natin dyan, mga...
Tag mo lang si Raymond Villegas. Tsaka sila, Ken Roseo. Hello. Ken, bala siya. Watch out, Ken. Your nose.
Mars out, thank you.